Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do a practice for wharapu, but we're going to start with tumami to warm up. So that's going to be a warm up. We're going to start with tumami and then coming up into different speeds. It's going to be 4 speeds, 4 different speeds on each side. So of course you do what you can do. If you can go faster than me, go faster. If you go slower than me, go slower. What's important is that on the slow tumamis at the beginning, you do as wide circle as you can, so that you really scoop out and up your body, your hips. And on the faster ones, of course, they're gonna come slower, but you still need to feel your back and front working. So it's more about feeling your body, learning to feel how it feels, all the muscles, rather than thinking that you're doing it well, but at the end you're just kind of shaking, because we don't want to shake, okay? So really work on the technique and feeling your body. You can also film yourself if you want to while you're doing the practice with me, and that way you can see, if you're actually doing a circle or if you're kind of like just shaky. Okay, so I'm gonna put the music. It's not super loud because then it gets mute, but I think it's loud enough for you to practice. And we're going to do to both sides. I'm going to be starting on the side that gives me a little more trouble, and then the second part I'm going to do the side that it's easier for me. I recommend you try both sides, because that will target both muscles of your body, like both sides evenly. Even if when you're dancing, you're just using your strong side to show it off in your dance, but still practice both sides. The songs are about a minute and 20 seconds or so. So we're going to be doing 4 different speeds on one side, starting slow, then going up until the super fast one that you can, and then on the other side. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. above so that your chest is not so relaxed. That was a full minute. So I was turning off my heater because it's a little cold. All right, so let's do cool down. Let's come, open your legs a little bit. Stretch over the head. Take deep breaths. Deep exhales. To the other side. So just keep practicing. I like to practice endurance. So I like to do it like for a little bit longer periods of time. But it definitely, the faster that you go, the harder it gets. But the more that you practice, the easier it gets. Right, so just keep practicing. Inhale up, exhale, fold down. Walk your hands to one leg, relax your head. To the other side. Coming back to center, flex your knees, hold it down. Straighten your legs, pull yourself gently. All right, slowly come up. Oh, that's all cardio. Inhale, stretch your wrist. Now let's do the other side. So I'm gonna start doing this practice myself and see how much I can improve if I can keep up with the minute. Because I was going like the fastest that I can. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Okay, inhale, exhale. 1, inhale. 2, inhale. 3, great job. Let's just pick up your knee up. Stretch the hips. And toss it into downward pose. I always like to add this one because it's one of the best stretches for the front of the body. All right, let's do the other leg. Stretch back. Good. Okay, we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a special request, just let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, please like it, share, subscribe, so you can let YouTube know that this video had awesome content, and then more people can reach to it and benefit from it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, or I'm still short of breath, or if you want something in particular that I would like to see in my channel. My channel is new because one of my old channels was hacked. However, I'm not new to dancing or to teaching. I have over 30 years dancing, not only Tahitian, other Polynesian dances. Anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with my stuff. That's it, bye.